With the full automatic hard candy production line, manufacturers can streamline their production process to create high-quality, perfectly shaped hard candies with incredible efficiency. From mixing, cooking, and shipping to packaging, this advanced system automates the entire process, significantly reducing labor costs and boosting productivity. It ensures consistent quality and precision, helping businesses meet high demand without compromising on taste or texture. The automation not only increases output but also minimizes waste, making it a sustainable and cost-effective solution. Whether you are producing traditional flavors or experimenting with new ones, this state-of-the-art technology ensures your candies are produced faster, fresher, and with flawless precision.